Cove is a newcomer to the DIY security scene, but it's gotten a lot of attention in the last year or so. The security system touts easy installation, lots of different sensors, and cheap monthly monitoring. You can learn more about Cove itself from our video review or check the link below to see the written review on Safewise. Today, we are going to look into how to install Cove and see whether or not this system is just as easy to install as they claim to be. But first, like and subscribe to Safewise to catch more from us on Cove and other DIY security systems, as well as tips about smart home and personal safety. Let's get into it. When you get a Cove home security system, everything you need comes in one big box with a couple of smaller boxes inside. Opening it up felt a bit like Christmas with all the layers here. In the first box is the Cove Touch panel and two mounting options, one for flat surfaces and another for the wall. We like that you get both options for your home. In the second box is the rest of the gear. Cove customizes each system for their customers, so yours might look a little different from ours. But here's what we got. 2 security key remotes, 1 smoke and carbon monoxide detector, 3 contact sensors, 1 freeze and flood sensor, 1 panic and medic alert button, 1 yard sign, and 4 window stickers. To get started, set up your touchscreen panel. Plug it in and wait for it to activate. The panel takes you through most of the installation. Its instructions were so clear we hardly touched the written material that came with the system. Cove also has a companion app you can use to control the system, but it wasn't required for the installation. We'll cover the app in future videos. Once your passcode's up and running, now it's time to install your sensors. Cove systems are custom, so ours might look a little different from yours, but here's how it went for us. First, we installed the motion sensors. Peel off the sticky backing, put it in place, and make sure it sticks. We have more videos on motion sensors if you want to learn more about where to put yours. Next, we installed the door sensors. We had 3 sensors but 1 main door, so we got a little creative. To get these started, separate the sensors to activate them. The panel will chime when you do it right. Then peel off the sticky backing and place one half of the sensor on the moving part of the door and the other on the wall or door frame. They don't have to be perfectly aligned or together, just make sure they're close. I put mine on the front door, kitchen window, and medicine cabinet. Just beware, the adhesive is powerful and can strip paint if you aren't careful. Next up is the smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Cove's comes with screws or a sticky adhesive for the wall. Pick how you want to place yours and place it. And finally, the flood freeze sensor. This gadget detects water from leaks or low temperatures that could damage your pipes. Press the button on the back of the sensor and listen for the tone from the panel. Put this device anywhere that's prone to leaks. I put mine under the kitchen sink. Cove is a little different for everyone based on their style of home and what they want to protect against. But either way, the touchscreen panel will walk you through installing every one of your sensors. Once those are in place, it's time to test them. We tested our motion sensor and 3 door sensors. Then we tested the key remotes, medical pendant, the smoke and carbon monoxide detector, and of course, the flood and freeze sensor. Now that everything's installed and tested, the touch screen will take you through settings and controls. This will show you how to arm and disarm your system and how to navigate the panel itself. Finally, it will connect you to the monitoring center to make sure everything's ready to go. After you're done with the call, you're done setting up Cove. Oh, and don't forget the yard sign or stickers either. The last part of the Cove setup is to notify your insurance provider. You might get a discount on your home or renter's insurance for having a home security system. Cove provides the paperwork and it should be in your inbox by the time you're done installing. And that's it. Your Cove system should be online and ready to go. I have mine in my home and I'll give you guys an update in the next month or so of how it's going, and as well as a few more tidbits on the Cove camera and the app itself. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel here to get those updates and everything in between. Until then, stay safe.